I'm working as a professional designer for almost 25 years. I did many cars in my career. And this is definitely one of the most exciting projects or show cars I've ever worked on with my team. The Audi Skysphere has been inspired by the Horch 853, which has been a roadster in the 30s. And this roadster has been benchmarked on one hand in driving dynamics and in comfort. And the Audi Skysphere is a modern, very progressive interpretation of these two characteristics. The Audi headquarters is located in Ingolstadt. To come up and to catch all ideas around the world, we have a design studio, a very digital and small one in Beijing, and one in Malibu. That's why the Audi Skysphere is developed and designed 100% digital. And the process is that we have a few times a month digital calls. So we are meeting in a virtual studio. We're talking about the status of the design. Audi Skysphere is a look into the future because we are showcasing and visualizing the potential of this progressive technology, automated driving level 4. That means it showcases the opportunities around this technology, because the Audi Skysphere is on one hand a real sports car, and it can transform in only a few seconds into an autonomous lounge. The highlights are that we combine a very muscular body with very elegant lines. And this combination is something really progressive, that the car looks on one hand very sporty and muscular and super elegant and very sleek. The Audi Skysphere is a very progressive interpretation of a roadster. The proportions of the Audi Skysphere are simply breathtaking. Dream proportions, I have to say. Big wheels, a long wheelbase, very long and low bonnet, in combination with a very short overhang, a speedster roofline. I will never forget when I saw the Skysphere for the first time in this dark painted color with all the nice details. It's a very emotional moment for me.